Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this video, we're going to understand a very important concept in innovation and intellectual property, the patent. By the end of this video, you'll know what a patent means, why it exists, and how it helps inventors protect their ideas. So, what exactly is a patent? A patent is a legal right granted by the government to an inventor. It gives the inventor exclusive control over how their invention is made, used, or sold, for a specific period of time, usually 20 years from the date of filing. In simple terms, a patent acts like a shield. It protects your invention from being copied or used by others without your permission. But why do we need patents? The main purpose of a patent is to encourage innovation. When inventors know their ideas will be protected, they are more likely to invest time, effort, and money into developing something new. At the same time, patents also help the public. After a patent is granted, the inventor must publicly disclose how the invention works. This allows others to learn from it and build upon existing knowledge once the patent period ends. Now, not everything can be patented. A patent is usually granted for inventions that are 1. Novel, meaning it's new and not known before. 2. Inventive or non-obvious. It must show creativity, not just an obvious improvement. 3. Useful or industrially applicable. It must serve a practical purpose or solve a problem. For example, a new type of engine design, a medical device, or a chemical process could be patented, but abstract ideas, natural discoveries, or mathematical formulas cannot. There are generally three main types of patents: utility patents, for new and useful inventions or processes; design patents, for unique ornamental designs of manufactured items; plant patents, for inventing or discovering new plant varieties through asexual reproduction. Once a patent is granted, the inventor can stop others from making, selling, or using their invention without consent. However, this right lasts only for a limited time, typically 20 years. After that, the invention becomes part of the public domain, meaning anyone can freely use it. Let's take an example. Imagine you invent a new type of eco-friendly battery. If you patent it, no one else can manufacture or sell your battery without your approval. You can then license it to companies, earn royalties, or build your own business, all while keeping your innovation protected. So, to summarize, a patent is not just a certificate, it's a reward for creativity. It provides exclusive rights, recognition, and motivation for inventors to keep innovating, and ultimately, patents help society grow by promoting the exchange of ideas and technological progress. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation useful, don't forget to share it with your friends and students. Keep learning, keep innovating, and continue building a smarter future.